Hello friends, have you ever seen the bird that walks on the water? Yes, you heard it right, bird walking on the water. Let me share with you. This is a bird from a Jacana family known as Pheasant-tailed Jacana, a very beautiful wetland bird having the extra long toes that helps this bird to comfortably walk over the floating leaves like a lily pads. During the breeding season, this bird grows long pheasant-like tail and gives a very royal look. And you know what makes this bird more interesting? The female lays the egg, but it is the responsibility of a male to look after them. Yes, the male not only incubates the egg, but also raises the chicks. This is another migratory bird which comes in our region during the monsoon season and prefers to stay near ponds and the lakes. So next time when you go out for a morning walk around the wetland, around the water bodies, do watch your surroundings. If you are lucky, you might just end up seeing one in your area too. Have a look at the image and follow me for more such interesting facts about the Mother Nature.